na magpakabanata. I don't want to betray our beloved country. On October 16, 2024, I was again invited as a resource person. After I answered question related to extrajudicial killings, I was approached by a security personnel while I was seated in one of the witnesses during the hearing. The said person told me that I was summoned by Congressman Dan Fernandez. I went out of the room with the security personnel. When we were outside, he told me to go to the left corridor and proceed straight to the end room. While walking, I saw other witnesses who were standing in the corridor. When I entered the room, I saw two lawyers of Police Colonel Garma. One of the lawyers approached me and then asked me what we are going to talk about. I said I do not know. After a while, Kong Dan Fernandez entered the room and he asked me to sit beside him on his right side. And then Kong Abante entered the room. One of the lawyers of Police Karma stood near at my back. Kong Dan Fernandez put the paper he was holding on the table and told me, ito ang sasabihin mong statement na ito. Ito ang supplemental affidavit ni Colonel Garma. Sabihin mo, alam mo ang reward system. I-confirm mo lang. However, I asked the copy of affidavit he was showing to me. He did not give it to me. The lawyer of Police Colonel Garma said, ikaw lang ang pwedeng magsabi niyan, sabi ni Colonel Garma. I respectfully told him that I cannot confirm. They are saying as I have not read the affidavit. Kong Abante asked me how many years do still I have with the PNP. I answered, I still have 4 years before my retirement. Then he made a remark, pwede ka pang maging general. I humbly responded to him, masaya na ako sa ranggo ko, sir. Pagkatapos nito, sir, uuwi na lang ako. At magtatanim na lang ako ng kamuti sa amin. I felt that I disappointed them. Kong Dan Fernandez and Kong Abante left the room while I and the two lawyers of Police Colonel Garma stayed in the room for a while. I asked the two lawyers of Police Colonel Garma why they have chosen me. They did not answer me and just stared at me.
Etong